Get ready for some ice cold Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster trucks in the Yeti cooler. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. What's going on, guys? Today we've got surprise Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster trucks in the Yeti cooler. We've got a whole bunch of them in there. And we've also got one that we're going to have at the end of the video that we've been looking all over for, and we finally found it. It's inside the cooler. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, at the end of it, hit that like and subscribe button. Here we go. Let's see who we got first. Check it out. Our first monster truck is Shocker. Pretty awesome. Let's do some freestyle with Shocker. Over the crush cars with some big time air. Look at him go. Check out that perfect backflip by Shocker. I can't wait to see who we got next. Let's see. Check it out. We got Monster MUTT Dalmatian. Let's see how Monster MUTT does over the crush cars. Check it out, taking them crush cars out. Look at Monster MUTT go. Big time crash. What a run for Monster MUTT Dalmatian. Let's see who we get. Yes, we've got Pirate's Curse. Totally awesome. Here goes Pirate's Curse over the crush cars. Starting off with some big time air. Whoa! Pirate's Curse crashes out. Let's see who's next in the Yeti cooler. Awesome! We've got TORO LOCO. Here goes TORO LOCO. He's really smashing them crush cars up good. Oh, check out the big time donut. Oh, and he crashes during his backflip. Who do we got next? Yes, we've got Gravedigger. Let's see what Gravedigger can do. Coming out with a lot of speed to start off his freestyle run. Gravedigger's having a nice run. Oh, check it out. He went down into the ice. Where did he go? Wow, he comes busting through the ice. He's really trying to win this freestyle event. Oh, check out that. Awesome. Oh, another big time jump and a crash from Gravedigger. Wow, what a run. That was my favorite run so far. Let's see who we got next. Check it out, we got Maximum Destruction. This is the old school version. Really awesome. Let's see how Maximum Destruction does over the crush cars. Look at Max D go. He's going down in the ice like Gravedigger did. He's trying to steal some points from Gravedigger. Whoa, he destroys the bus. That's a great run from Maximum Destruction. Up next, we've got Avenger. Check out that cool blue paint job. Avenger's always got a bunch of different paint schemes. Here goes Avenger over the crush cars. He almost lost it there, but he's keeping his run together. Yes, what a big time crash over the crush bus. Going for a big time back. Oh, and Avenger. These are definitely the coolest monster trucks around, that's for sure. My hand's getting pretty cold. Up next, we've got Team Hot Wheels in the old school paint job. It's a really cool monster truck. Here goes Team Hot Wheels over the crush cars. Whoa! Goes over the cars backwards, just like backwards Bob would do. Looking for some big time points to win this freestyle event. Awesome backflip by Team Hot Wheels. What a run. Up next, coming out of the YETI cooler, we've got NEA Police with the awesome blue paint job. Here goes NEA Police. Whoa, he went over them crush cars the fastest so far. Completely destroying them. Whoa, he's doing a backwards wheelie. We haven't seen one of those yet. 360s down into the ice. Wow. Going over the crush bus and the crush cars. Yes. Wow, what a great freestyle run by NEA Police. It might have even been better than Gravediggers. Leave in the comments below who you think has the best freestyle run. This one's way down in there. Check it out. We've got MADUSA. It's the Farewell Tour paint scheme. Let's see what MADUSA can do over the crush cars. Starting off really good. Whoa, that was a big time air. Uh-oh, one of the crush cars got stuck. Oh! Wow! What a crash. That was awesome. MADUSA had a great run. Who do we got next? Check it out. It's the Zombie Hunter monster truck. Here goes Zombie Hunter. He's got a lot of work to do if he wants to score some big points. There's been a lot of great freestyle runs so far. Got some good air. He's got to do something big for this run to get some points. Oh, and he crashes out during his backflip attempt. I wonder who we got next. Check it out. It is the new TORO Loco Chroma Frost edition. Check it out. It comes with a recrushable crush car. We've been looking all over for this monster truck. It's the last one in the Chroma Frost series. Let's open this bad boy up. Check out that awesome paint scheme. It's like a metallic orange. Really cool. Let's see how El Toro Loco does over the crush card. Wow, big time there. El Toro Loco takes out the crush bus. Yes. Wow, check it out. It's a surprise freestyle run by the turbo-powered school bus. The school bus is going to try to go over the... Whoa, it flies over the crush card. Whoa, big time air by the school bus. Oh, and then crashes out into the ice. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please crush that like and subscribe button like a monster truck. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel.